Parvati, oh simple single Parvati, she has no envelope. Country boys of age 18, be careful. She complains of knee and joint pain. Beware the progenitor cells, beware the progenitor cells. Painful pruritic Parvati, painful pruritic Parvati, progressive popular Parvati, popular Parvati, oh popular Parvati, simple single Parvati, she has no envelope. Country boys of age 18, be careful, she complains of knee and joint pain. Beware the progenitor cells, beware the progenitor cells. Painful pruritic Parvati, progressive popular Parvati, popular Parvati, oh popular Parvati.
This story is about simple, single, small Parvati. Parvati talks about parvovirus, single talks about the single-stranded DNA virus, simple talks about the simple animal virus, and small is the smallest virus which we have known of. Parvati is non-enveloped. Well, you know what it is. And she is icosahedral in symmetry. That's what her symmetry is. And Parvati attacks boys of the age 19. This talks about parvovirus's most pathogenic form, that is parvovirus B19. She slaps on the face with all her 5 fingers. That talks about erythema infectiosum, which is also called as the fifth disease. She measures about 18 to 26 nanometer in size. She can come to you with blood transfusion or the respiratory route when you're breathing for her. She slowly walks onto the surface of RBC to find the young P protein which is present on the RBC surface. This talks about the P antigen which is present on the RBC, which she attacks, and she causes inhibition of erythropoiesis. She has an attraction towards young RBCs, that is young progenitor cells, ultimately causing the inhibition of the erythropoiesis. And she causes slapped cheek syndrome or appearance in children, and Parvati causes Parvati with knee pain, or Parvati causes knee pain to Parvati. Because of destruction of the RBCs, parvovirus causes transient aplastic crisis or hemolytic anemia, which can lead to severe acute anemia. And on chronic conditions, it will cause pure red cell aplasia, where because of too much of immune suppression or due to persistent infection of the B9 form, it causes chronic anemia. And because of excessive destruction of RBCs, it will cause non-immune hydrops fetalis, that there will be a fatal anemia in people, especially the fetus, and it will cause fetal death. That's why it is hydrops fetalis. And the 30% of the cases are seen in second trimester. Parvati is popular, papular, painful, and also progressive, and also pruritic. So Parvati is papular, popular, progressive, painful, and pruritic, because this talks about the hand and glove syndrome or socks and glove syndrome, which is seen as swellings and erythema in the distal hands and feet, which is seen especially in spring and summer. If you were to diagnose Parvati, you have to do molecular methods to check her viral DNA through the VP1 and VP2 protein, and you can do an RT-PCR for the quantification of viral load in the blood. If not for that, you can do an antibody detection, again for the same VP1 antigen and VP2 antigen. It's all about VP1 and VP2. Then lastly, the antigen detection can also be done through immunohistochemistry. Treatment, she has no treatment. No antiviral drugs are available for Parvati. No, only you have to do is symptomatic treatment, and immunoglobulins are given against the antibodies of human papilloma parvovirus.